successful because when you're studying and you get tired, you quit.
I have no clue what's going on.
And I'm here to tell you today, if you got somebody came in my office the other day crying, I said, look, don't cry to give up, cry to keep going.
I see millions of motivational speakers that speak to the rich.
It's the first episode.
That speak to the successful.
Right. Summed
I
up
said,
what
who
it might
speaks to the
be.
broke?
Summed up.
That great
what
player
it can be.
pushes his body past the limit.
This episode is anger.
He leaves every single drop of blood on the field. That legend to bring out
so what does anger
that
feel
power
like? Is it
that lays in every single one of us.
Box?
I wake up,
And you can't feel
puddle
like
of
you
sweat.
can move.
I have nightmares and I get back into bed. It's
'Cause
like these voices keep playing on
I say
repeat in the
this,
back of my head.
and that could be, that could not
From the
be.
heart. So what I did was I
Some
truly
people are
believe
angry.
that I have something special
Do anything
to give this
for
world. And I
yourself.
want you to know
Just like when
that
you're
you have
scared.
something special to give this world.
But
Nobody will stop
What
me
is-
from reaching my goal. But I know I have so much
that
work.
there is no set feeling.
While they
to
sleep,
anger.
I must work.
Right.
While they party, I must grind.
What if
While they procrastinate, I must go after my future.
yourself? Like, what really is anger? Can we see it? Can we feel it? Like, can I see anger? You may say, like, oh yeah, if the person is mad, he looks mad. But you cannot see anger. You actually can't see it. You can see an expression, but someone that is mad can be amongst you. And something happens. That is proof we can't see anger. What literally do we actually know of anger? We act like we are 100% of this. But are we? Like, can you see anger? If you can, that comes into a problem. Because if you can see it, then that means it can happen a lot. Like that. If you see it enough that you know that's anger, that's bad for your psyche. That's very bad for your head. See, anger, emotion can be a thriving medicine in a lot of things. Hate can drive people apart. And yes, it is hard not to hate. Yeah, whatever. Okay, Savannah is fucking cool. So, fuck off. Seriously. Like, if you know that's hate, that's bad. Because emotion can drive you apart. That's why emotions are actually harder to understand, because we think it's just a feeling, but that feeling can grow into other things. In order to actually make sure anger, or our anger, doesn't develop into anything, we have to break it down like this. We come before we, me, okay? So, before, you can, let's say, love someone, you have to love yourself in order to love someone else. I know it's said a lot, and I know it's one of those things where it's like, no, nah. But it is true, because you can't love yourself, okay? Then you can't love someone else and the things that come with that other person. To break it down, if you can't, if you're not comfortable to go out in public, then you're not comfortable to even go out and meet someone. Therefore, you don't get that chance. You have to remember that we
And I want you guys to grow to be successful with me. I don't want to just be successful by myself. I want my message to grow other people
something
and make other people
can go on in one's life, and you don't even know it. Yes, shit can happen, and yes, we can be angry and sad and mad about it, but when it comes down to it, we have to decide when to feel that and when not to. Because if all your life, if you're always angry, you're not gonna do a lot with your life. You're not gonna like your life. You're not gonna want to work for anything. You're not gonna have a family. You're not gonna have people around you. Hate and anger drives people apart. Remember, if you have it hard at school or work or wherever, because higher authority, your boss, manager, just any higher authority gets you angry and you quit, is that really something you wanted, that job?
When you feel like quitting, remember all of those who said you'd fail. When you feel like giving up, remember why you started.
Yes, people can quit because their boss is something or their higher form or whatever. But if you were willing to put in the work and you didn't act that you wanted, so you're gonna.
Where all you want to do is be successful as bad as you want to breathe, then you'll be successful. And I'm here to tell you, number one, that most of you say you want to be successful, but you don't want it bad. You just kind of want it. You don't want it badder than you want to party. You don't want it as much as you want to be cool. Most of you don't want success as much as you want to sleep.
And remember, like, it's your life, you can make changes. So if you want to adapt something, if you want to learn something, there you go. But all down to it, anger don't actually have any fucking defined thing. It can be emotion, it can be a feeling, well, emotion, feeling, same shit. It can be an emotion, it can be a thought, it can be physical, anything. We don't know. But really, how does anger feel? Well, I'm waiting. Fucking hell. You gonna talk? Like, come on here. Anyway, fucking hell. There's no set thing to anger. There's no feeling. There's nothing. Why it's so hard to spot anger in the first place are honestly for a lot of reasons. Just hold on a second. Yo, can I call you back in a sec? I'm kinda recording.
It's not that easy. Why would you wouldn't want it to be that easy? You don't want life to be easy, man. Because it's just gonna make it to where you get to the end goal. It's gonna make it so much more worth it. Once you get to that spot, it makes it so much more worth it because you worked for it. You worked hard. You went through some crazy fucking shit to get there, and you pushed through it. You didn't stop because you saw your goal and you chased it. Find that goal. Make sure it's what you want and do it. Do not let a woman, especially at your age, bro. Especially. You don't think I've gone through heartbreaks? You don't think I've gone through freaking the cheating, all of it? You don't think I've worked with a female that I've dated? Like, come on, man. I've gone through it. I promise.
Because that just causes other people strain on anger, pain, sadness, and all that shit. Anyway, peace the fuck out.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me.